Everyone talks about backend development, but nobody explains it simply. You hear terms thrown around like learn Node, master APIs, or understand databases. But what actually meaningful is to harness the backend? These phrases sound complicated and can make the whole topic feel overwhelming for a beginner. Today, I'll explain it so clearly that even a complete beginner will understand the backend in less than 5 minutes. Let's start with a simple definition of the backend. Imagine a website like Instagram. What you see on the screen, the buttons, the posts, the profile page. That's the asterisk front end. But when you log in, like a post or upload a photo, something happens behind the scenes. That invisible part, that's the asterisk dart backend. The backend isn't just one thing. It has 3 main jobs it performs constantly. The first job is the server. This is the powerful machine that receives requests. When you click Login, your browser sends a request directly to the server. The second job is the database. This is where all the data is stored. Usernames, posts, comments, likes. The backend talks to the database to fetch or save the correct information. The third, and most crucial job, is the logic or the brain. This is where the rules live. For example, is the password correct? Is the user allowed to post? This decision-making process is written in the backend code. Now let's look at how these 3 pieces work together in a seamless workflow, specifically when you try to log in. First, you enter your email and password. The front end sends that request to the backend. The backend immediately checks that data against the database. If the data is correct, the backend sends a success response. If it's wrong, it sends an error response. All this happens in milliseconds, and you never see it, but without the backend, nothing works. There are many different languages and frameworks used to build a backend. Backend can be built using languages and frameworks like Node, JS, Python with Django or Flask, Java with Spring Boot, PHP, or Ruby. They all do the same core 3 things: handle requests, process logic, talk to the database, and send responses. Different languages, same fundamental purpose. For a clear real-life analogy, think of ordering food at a busy restaurant. You, the customer, are the user. The menu is the front end, and the kitchen, where all the preparation happens, is the asterisk backend. Why is the backend so essential to every modern application? Without a powerful backend, you have no login feature, no ability to save data, no secure payment processing, and essentially no real applications. Front-end shows the user what's going on, but the backend is what makes the application actually function. Simple.